हेलो एवरीवन। आज हम लोग देखेंगे सॉल्यूशंस चैप्टर के न्यूमेरिक। पहला क्वेश्चन दिया हुआ है, द वेपर प्रेशर ऑफ इथेनॉल एंड मिथेनॉल आर 44.5 and 88.7 mmHg respectively, and ideal solution is formed at the same temperature by mixing 60 gram ethanol and 40 gram of methanol। और यहाँ हमें कैलकुलेट करना है द टोटल वेपर प्रेशर ऑफ द सॉल्यूशन। हम देखते हैं इस क्वेश्चन के सॉल्यूशन को। P is equal to 44.5 PB is equal to 88.7 mmHg. PA naught is the vapor pressure of ethanol and PB naught is the vapor pressure of methanol. From Raoult's law, we can say that PA is equal to P naught A XF and PB is equal to P naught B XP. Molar mass of ethanol C2H5OH is equal to 46 gram. Molar mass of methanol CH3OH is equal to 32 gram. Moles of ethanol is equal to given mass by molar mass. जो होगा 60 डिवाइडेड बाई 46 और मोल्स ऑफ मिथेनॉल होगा 40 डिवाइडेड बाई 32। मोल्स ऑफ इथेनॉल is equal to 1.304. Moles of methanol is equal to 1.25. Mole fraction of ethanol होगा moles of ethanol divided by total moles, which is equal to 1.304 divided by 1.304 plus 1.25, which is equal to 0.5107. Mole fraction of methanol is equal to 1 minus mole fraction of ethanol, क्योंकि mole fraction का sum is always 1. So mole fraction of methanol is equal to 0.4893. इसके बाद हम कैलकुलेट करेंगे पार्शियल प्रेशर ऑफ इथेनॉल, which is equal to P naught A into mole fraction of A. is 0.5107 into 44.5, which is equal to 22.73 mmHg. Partial pressure of methanol is equal to mole fraction of methanol into P naught V, जो होगा 0.4893 into 88.7, which is equal to 73.40 mmHg. Total vapor pressure of the solution is equal to partial pressure of ethanol plus partial pressure of ethanol जो होगा PA plus PB which is equal to 22.73 plus 43.40 which is equal to 66.13 mmHg. ये होगा फाइनल आंसर. हम देखते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन को. Dissolution of 10 gram of a non-volatile solute in 100 gram of benzene raises its boiling point by 1 degree Celsius. Calculate the molar mass of solute. और Kb दिया हुआ है 2.53. Mass of non-volatile solute, that is Wv, is equal to 10 gram. Mass of solvent Wa is equal to 100 gram. Therefore, elevation and boiling point is equal to Kb into molality, जहाँ Kb होता है realistic constant. Elevation and boiling point is equal to 1 degree Celsius, which is also equal to 1 Kelvin, क्योंकि change in temperature unit से independent होता है. Molality is equal to number of moles of solute by weight of solvent in, which is equal to W into 1000 by Wa into Mb. थाउजेंड को इससे मल्टीप्लाई करें क्योंकि सॉल्वेंट का वेट केजी में एंड 1 kg इज इक्वल टू 1000 ग्राम. Elevation in boiling point is equal to 1, which is equal to Kb into Wv divided by Wa into Mb multiplied by 1000. एक्सप्रेशन में सारे वैल्यूज को डालने के बाद और उसे कैलकुलेट करने के बाद हमें मिलता है मोलर मास ऑफ solute is equal to 100 into Kb. This is 100 into 2.53, which is equal to 253 grams. ये होगा इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर. अब हम देखते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन जो बेस्ड है एलिवेशन ऑफ बॉइलिंग पॉइंट के कॉन्सेप्ट पे. द एलिवेशन इन बॉइलिंग पॉइंट ऑफ अ सॉल्यूशन of 9.43 gram of MgCl2 in 1 kg of water is given. The hygroscopic constant of water is 0.52 or molar mass of MgCl2 is 94.3 grams per moles. Elevation in boiling point delta Tb is equal to I into Kb into molality. I for MgCl2 is equal to 3 because MgCl2 dissolve molecule Mg plus 2 plus 2Cl minus देता है. So sum of ions is equal to 3. यानी MgCl2 3 ions में डिसोशिएट करेगा सॉल्यूशन के फॉर्म में. Elevation in boiling point is equal to 3 into 0.52 into 9.43 divided by the molar mass 95 into 1. Since the molality is equal to number of moles of solute by weight of solvent in kg. Delta TB elevation in boiling point is equal to 0.156 Kelvin. ये होगा इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर. अब हम देखते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है बेस्ड on depression and freezing point concept पे. Determine the freezing point of a solution containing 0.625 gram of glucose C6H12O6 dissolved in 102.8 grams of water, where freezing point of water is 273 K and Kf for water is 1.87 Kelvin kg per mole. Molecular weight of glucose C6H12O6 is equal to 6 into 12 plus 12 into 1 plus 6 into 16 जो होगा 180 grams per mole. इसके बाद हम कैलकुलेट करेंगे नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ ग्लूकोज जो होगा गिवन मास बाय मोलर मास. यानी 0.625 grams divided by 180 grams per mole. So 0.347 moles. Given mass of water is equal to 102.8 grams, which is equal to 0.1028 kilograms. क्योंकि 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. Molality of glucose is equal to moles of glucose by given mass of water जो होगा 0.00347 moles divided by 0.01 divided by 0.1028 kilogram, जिसका आंसर होगा 0.0338 moles per kg. इसके बाद हम डिप्रेशन फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट डेल्टा टीएफ कैलकुलेट करेंगे जो होगा KF into molality of glucose, which is equal to 1.87 into 0.0338 जो होगा 0.0632 केल्विन। यानी डिप्रेशन इन फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट है 0.0632 Kelvin. And as we know, freezing point of water is 0 degrees Celsius, yeah, 273 Kelvin. So freezing point of water after depression is equal to 273 plus 0.0632 Kelvin, जो होगा 273.0632 Kelvin. So freezing point of solution after depression is equal. So ये है freezing point of solution after depression. इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। नेक्स्ट टॉपिक डिस्कस होगा नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। थैंक यू।